Hi, Karen here, and today I'm explaining what is affiliate marketing and how we use it at Waalaxy. So stay tuned if you want to find out how you can make an extra income easily with our program. First and foremost, affiliate marketing is an online marketing strategy that companies use to promote their product and services. Basically, companies offer people, usually their customers, the opportunity to become affiliates and thus promote their product and services to potential customers. In exchange, affiliates receive commissions based on their results. It's a win-win relationship because the affiliate can make a good extra income and get started without any investment, and the company delegates its prospecting in return for a small pre-agreed fee. This type of marketing is often found in banks, for example, where you receive a sum of money for each person who opens an account with your bank thanks to you. In general, commission rates are quite low, but at Waalaxy we like to thank our ambassador as much as we can. That's why we offer between 30 to 50% of commissions for each affiliate who takes out a subscription thanks to you. So if someone discovers Waalaxy via your link, which we'll talk about later, and pays $100 excluding VAT, you'll receive $30 or $50 directly into your bank account within a few days. Well, that depends on your country of residence, but I'll explain that later in the video. Waalaxy is a prospecting automation tool. You can automate your lead generation in LinkedIn and via cold emailing. So even for you as an ambassador, it can be useful and save you time finding affiliates. Oh yes, because for the record, we call people who receive commissions ambassadors, and affiliates are the person the ambassador converts into users. So anyone can join the Waalaxy Ambassador program. And as I said earlier, you can earn up to 50% commissions, which is quite rare in the affiliate marketing. To choose the amount of your commissions, you'll need to sign up to the program. When you register, as you can see, you need to select the benefits you prefer. Once you've signed up, you can't change your choice. So take time to weigh up pros and cons. You can choose between 50% commission for you and the 1 month free trial for your affiliates, 30% commission for you and the 20% promo code for your affiliates, or 30% commission for you and the 2 month free trial for your affiliates. Once you've signed up on the Ambassador interface, you will find your dashboard, which includes your number of affiliates, which affiliates have an active subscription, and how much you've generated. For the record, the dashboard shows when there is a financial transaction with your affiliates. This means you won't see your affiliates from here, but only their transactions on Waalaxy, so whether they've paid or been refunded. To see your affiliates, simply go to the My Affiliates page. From here, you can use the filters to follow up personally on each affiliate. About affiliation. If the person doesn't appear on your affiliates page when they download the application, you can send them your ambassador code, which you'll find right here, so that they can add it on their own. Now that this point has been clarified, you should know that affiliation works via an affiliation link. You can find it by clicking on Share My Link. It will appear on this format, our website followed by your ambassador code. However, you can personalize the experience and increase your conversion rate by using our link generator. That way, instead of linking to our website, you can send your prospects to a video, a presentation, your website, anything you like. And if they click on it, they will still count as your affiliates later on. First of all, you need to use our link generator because we will add your affiliate cookie. So only links in Waalink format contain your affiliate cookie. So if you use a short link like uClick or bit.ly, it won't work the same way. Secondly, the cookie is valid for 1 year. So if your affiliate clicked on your cookie more than 1 year ago before downloading Waalaxy, unfortunately, they won't count as one of your affiliates. And finally, of course, for your prospect to become your affiliate, they need to have never downloaded Waalaxy before. The aim is to introduce new prospects to our tool, not old users, even if they downloaded the tool but never used it. The Waalink is really powerful because it means that even before you introduce Waalaxy to your prospects, you can give them a cookie of your affiliate link. What's more, it lets you track the number of clicks on your link, so I highly recommend using it. You can create your Waalink right here. All you have to do is enter a valid URL you want your prospects to visit, and will automatically generate a short link from it. Here, I want to send them to a Waalaxy tutorial video. That way they can see my Waalaxy presentation and already have my affiliate link. So if they decide to later visit a website and download the tool, the cookie will identify them as my affiliates. Please note the cookie tracking only works if the lead is on a computer and downloads Waalaxy from the same browser and session to click on the link. And finally, let's talk about commissions. The amount of commissions you earn depends on the amount of money generated by your affiliates. If nobody pays, you get no commission. Basically, it's in real time. As I explained earlier, the way you will receive commissions depend on your country. Actually, we use Stripe for payments, but Stripe doesn't allow to automate payments in every country in the world. That's why there are two ways to receive commissions. So when you sign up for the first time and you're asked in which country you live, you get a drop down with all the countries that are supported by Stripe for automatic payments. If you needed to select other country, we will have to pay the commission manually. So for automatic payment, you don't need to do anything. The payment arrives by itself a few days after the affiliate has taken a subscription. You can see on this page when you will receive the commission and how much you will receive. On the other hand, for manual payments, you can submit your invoice once a month from your settings, where you will find the amount to enter, and our accounting team will pay you the previous month's amount. So for example, on July 1st, you can submit your invoice to collect June commissions. And if you only submit your invoice on July 5, but you've earned commissions between July 1 and July 5, those commissions won't be paid until August. Just one last piece of information. This is where you can see your contract if you want to see all the conditions. And there you have it. Now it's up to you to start your affiliate search and wait for the first results. If you'd like to know more on affiliate marketing and especially tips on how to get the most out of our ambassador program, go to the description. If you like the video, consider subscribing. It's always a pleasure. And of course, if you have any questions, I'm waiting for you in the comment section below. See you soon for more videos.